Hey guys, I'm back with another video and I am going to make a slime using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 different slimes in here. Mix that to make it so it can make big bubbles. Some formula and bio. So I'm going to start with my black slime. I'm just going to pour it in. Not pour it. I'm going to get it. There. And I'm going to now put it in here. Comment down below what colour you think it's going to turn out to be. So, in it is. So that's one bag. Down. Now I'm going to go for this red. No, the peach one. My peach one. Mickey, don't be looking for a place to pee. Or poop, let's say. And then I'm gonna do this one. Yeah. So, and there you go. I'm just gonna mix these together. Put them in. Now I'm gonna do a pink one. This pink one. So, yeah. Comment down below if you've done one of these before. Because I've seen them on YouTube being done. And I was like, you guys would love this. So that's in. Now I'm going to put a red in. This red. It's like, it's a blood red. Basically, it's a bloody red. Yeah. I've got to be as quick as possible because I've got to leave to go to a party in 30 minutes. So there's... Huh?
I said, whoop whoop, party time.
Oh God. In that goes some of this slime. Green slime. Oh, wet that slime. Sometimes I forget how wet they actually are. So in that goes. Oh, there it is. And finally my grand finale. This slime. That slime I'd say is my favourite slime, to be honest. Well, not my favourite, because my favourite is a purple one. And my purple one is massive. But this is a nice one too. So I'm going to put that in. Oh, yes. Oh. Okay, I'm going to add some formula now. Some of that stuff. You can get that from Lidl. I'm going to mix it. So this is my slime. Yeah! I'm stirring like mad. It's not turning out very well, but it's looking really nice. Look at it now. See ya. Yes, I am on the ironing board. Look how much bags I've now got. I'm going to choose. Oh no. Now I've got this bag, but that's slimy. So yeah.
Face done.
Fifth done. My poo is done.
Oh, that wasn't a good shot for all you YouTubers. Sorry.
Right.
Should we have a look at it?
Yeah.
Excuse the mess everywhere. Come. Woo!
That I've never tried this slime smoothie. So yeah. It's a very colourful one. I'll say. I don't want to touch it, but I do want to touch it, guys. Comment down below if you think I should touch it or not.
Touch it, 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 touch it.
Whoa! Here it goes!
Liam. Baby shark.
She's still
He just got it out of his head.
She's still got to prank me, you know. Remember in the prank wars? She's still not pranked me. She didn't prank me before 10:30, guys. I've won the prank wars. Ah! Who do you think's gonna win?
Oh, let me just.
Me or Mother?
Oh, hang on, Liam.
What? What?
You know that party? It's on tomorrow. It's not.
No,
such
it
a-
isn't.
No, it is. Tuesday the 14th.
That says Monday.
I tried. I can't. I'm not very good at prank wars.
She got mugged.
Right, come on, let's get wiggle on.
Oh, guys.
Come on, Gaston.
Oh, thanks. It's good. Oh. Oh. Look at that beautiful slime.
Right.
For more slime videos, subscribe and like this video because it was very hard to make this. Thank you. Goodbye. See ya. Goodbye.